Hey guys, welcome to Jash Outline. This video is about Realme X2 low light photography. So, let's get started. Realme X2 comes with a quad camera system. The primary lens is of 64 megapixel with aperture f1.8 and the secondary lens is 8 megapixel with aperture f2.2 which acts as a wide angle lens, and third lens is of 2 megapixel which is used for a depth separation in portrait mode, and the fourth lens is of 2 megapixel which is used for macro shots. Realme X2 has a 32 megapixel front facing camera with aperture f2.0. The main lens, which is of 64 megapixel sensor, will be converted into 16 megapixel sensor and it will give you good pictures where you have ample amount of light. The default 16 megapixel pictures uses pixel binning technology, which is very helpful in low light or in the night scenarios. The pictures come out great using main sensor of camera where there is a decent light in the surroundings. The picture looks good in your mobile phone screen and even in desktop, but don't hope for great details in the pictures. If you zoom into pictures, you will get to know that pictures details are almost lost and smoothened, but most of the people don't think of zooming the pictures because getting decent picture in the low light is more than enough. So the pictures taken using Redmi X2 is not only good but great for most of the people. Here are few more pictures, check them out. Certain people who want much more balanced pictures in the night where they don't want much noise in the pictures and no overexposure in the pictures and want some sharpness in the pictures. For such kind of people, night mode is the option provided. Night mode is all about long exposure shots. Interesting fact is that in this night mode, Realme had introduced AI. So combining AI and long exposure mechanism, they created a better version of night mode. So when there is enough or decent amount of light and you switch to the night mode, it will take picture within a fraction of second because it knows there is enough light. But when there is a less amount of light in the scene, then it takes long time to capture the photo in order to get the light into the sensor so that it can process and make better image. On the whole, the night mode is 30 to 40% better than normal mode pictures. They make picture much more balanced in terms of exposure, noise and details. You'll get better details in the pictures using night mode in Realme X2. You may like or love the night mode on Realme X2. Here are few more pictures using night mode. Check them out.